when you make your customer feel important, you have a customer for life. Let that sink the fuck in, right? I'm going to say it again. When you make a customer feel important, you have a customer for life, right? Not just their repeat business. You get their referral business, right? And that can spin off to other referrals, et cetera, et cetera. And, you know, I get asked due to my international lifestyle all the time. People know they're going somewhere that I've been. They ask me for hotel recommendations, restaurant recommendations, bars, transport people, you name it. And, you know, of course, if you look after me, you're on that list. If you don't make the list, right? Relate that back to your own business. I mean, are you just treating your customers and clients as a fucking number and a dollar amount in your bank balance? There's a good chance you're doing nothing about EBAD, right? The emotional bank account deposit, which I've spoken about before, and that you're just giving so-so service. You might think you're giving fantastic customer service, right? You might think all the people that represent your business are doing an amazing job. However, do you actually know, or are you assuming? When you assume, it makes an ass out of you and me. You know the analogy. So don't guess that you're making every client / customer feel important. Make sure they are.